In this video, we're going to be addressing a very common problem on a 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic sedans. In this case, the front windshield drip molding. It's a very common problem on this car. So in this case, we're dealing with the 2011 Honda Civic sedan. Again, extremely common problem. We're going to be using this extruded rubber molding. It's pretty sturdy, yet it's flexible enough that it's workable. We're going to use about 3 feet of this material. We're basically positioning on the top and just work ourselves down. I'm going to tape it to the top part, and then I'm going to do a cutaway so that it actually extends a little beyond the black molding. I'm going to use a stick or something to press down as I take my marker, and I'll mark down the line and do a cutaway, cutting the excess because it is higher than the actual aluminum molding where it needs to go in. I'm going to tape it here so you could actually see the molding with the cutaway already done. I'm going to start at the top and then start squeezing the molding in, and then work ourselves down. It does go in under pressure, which I like, and then work it down. We're going to use this molding 1/4 by 1/2 extruded molding. It's the same material as the other one. We're going to use contact cement to glue it on the back of the other molding, and we're using this as a spacer, because if you notice that white plastic over there, it's about 1/4 inch thick. We're going to use it as a spacer so it aligns the molding in place. Again, we're using as a spacer for this part right here, the second part, and also this third part. They're 4-inch pieces, and they're already glued here on the molding. Then we're just going to start pressing in. Again, it goes in under pressure, except on the middle part, and the middle part's a little loose because there's about a little less than an 8 gap, but it's going to be glued with silicone, so it'll be held in place pretty good. Then we'll do a little cutaway at the bottom here. Again, this is how it's going to look at the end, at the bottom. Now we're going to remove it, and then we're going to use waterproof silicone. Then we're going to take a good amount of silicone and put it on the inside as well. And then we're just going to take our time and position the molding, pressing in. Again, it goes under pressure except in the middle a little bit, but the silicone will actually hold it in place. We'll do a little cleanup with alcohol, and then it ends up like this. I mean, it looks really, really good. Hope you like this video.